a live theatrical experience across Wales this Christmas.
On air, folks, in 3, 2, 1.
Step back into 1941 and experience the timeless love story of Casablanca, not on screen, but as it was once imagined. Lighthouse Theatre, Pontardawe Arts Centre and Arts Council Wales present Casablanca, a live radio play. Join us in Rick's Bar.
Play it once, Sam, for old time's sake.
For an unforgettable performance of this timeless love story.
Of all the gin joints in all the towns.
And the fight against tyranny, complete with live sound effects, classic performances, and the crackle of radio drama. Join us for one night and one unforgettable love story.
Here's looking at you, kid.
Tickets and dates at www.lighthouse-theatre.co.uk.